Hello everyone, I am Kalichandru, pursuing my BE final in Mechatronics at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to talk about the facial recognition in artificial intelligence. Now, what is facial recognition in artificial intelligence? Facial recognition is a way of recognizing a human face through technology, and it is basically used in biometrics to map facial features from a photograph or video. And there is a database of known faces to find a match. Then we're going to discuss about the working of facial recognition. First of all, the face detection and the face analysis, then converting the image to data, and next step is finding a match. These are the four steps of working of facial recognition in artificial intelligence. Then we're going to discuss about the uses of facial recognition in AI, like unlocking phones in mobile phones or etc. Or we are going to use in airports and border control units. Then finding missing persons and also used in banking and also healthcare. Now look into some examples of facial recognition in AI. First of all, the well-known company Amazon have used facial recognition in cloud-based face recognition service. Then, the famous company Apple to unlock their phones as a facial recognition. The third one, Facebook. The recognition is used in 2010. It photos using its automatically tagged people and also can tag. Then also the Google has also used the facial recognition to find the Google photo, and also used in McDonald's for Japanese restaurants to identify their customers. Then also used in Snapchat is one of the pioneer facial recognition software. These are all the popular example of using a facial recognition in AI. Then we can move to the advantages were used in facial recognition, or um, the first thing is it has an increased security and also have reduced the crime. Then it is faster processing system. So with these type of advantages we can easily operate the facial recognition system, and it is well used in some sectors. And also we can see the disadvantages of the facial recognitions or the scope for error. So some of the minimum level of error can be finded in this system based on the usage or in minimum level of identification. So this can be possible. Then the another disadvantages of the facial recognition is the massive data storage. So it requires more amount of data storage in the system to operate the facial recognition as an artificial intelligence system. Then we going to see protect yourself. What does it means? The facial recognition technology is a concern to many people, and no, and it is not only it is a threat to civil liberties in principle, but it is also a new and relatively immature technologies. Then it is not fully accurate and reliable, so it is sensible to worry of its use by government's laws enforcement and private companies. By these things, it also protect ourselves from the facial recognition system. So once it come to the government laws and private companies, it is reliable and sensible to vary of its use. Then we're going to see about the main purpose of facial recognition. The facial recognition over time in the presence of changes in facial pose and expression. So these are the main purpose we're going to use, and we are using in all over world. Then we're going to see about the implementation. So in implementation, the hyperspectral images over the NIR, which means the SA bands for one subject in ascending order. Then the images for 200 subjects. So we can implement that as 200 subjects of images. Then the last thing is spectral comparison of combination of tissue types. So which leads to implement the facial recognition to the advanced future systems. The finally it should be concluded. So the conclusion is, so the facial recognition has lot of advantages, and also we can use it in future to enhance ourselves in all over the world.